Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are doing well. So here I am with the first practice paper, okay, to score 36. So this is the video I'm making for those students who are scared that they're going to fail their maths exam. So don't worry, do watch, learn and practice, okay? And just remember this quote: if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So keep that in mind, okay? You have to be determined, okay? Only then you can do it, okay? In Hindi there is a saying that मान लो तो हार है, ठान लो तो जीत. So you have to make yourself stronger. No, I'm going to do it, I can do it. And yes, definitely you are going to do it, and that refers to that you are going to clear your exam, okay, maths exam. So I have already explained how to score minimum of 36 marks in your exam, and if you have not seen it yet, you can watch my previous video. The link is provided in the description box. Here I have made some questions, okay. I have taken some questions mostly from the previous year, okay, which we are going to solve in this video. And this type of question you can expect in your final exam, so practice them well. Watch the video till last. Be ready with your pen, book, notebook, okay. Before I tell you the answer, try to solve by yourself, then you can compare the answer, okay. And so that will be a two-in-one job. You can also watch the video, practice, and you can check the answers as well, okay. So see, here I have taken five multiple choice questions, okay. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 marks you can get in your final exam from multiple choice, okay. 4 plus 1 multiple choice question plus 1 mark question I have taken, okay. So that will be total of 5 marks. So let us start without wasting our time, okay. So here is the first question: if the nth term of an AP an is equal to 24 minus 3n, then its second term is dash. So most of you might write this formula: a2 is equal to a plus 1d, or an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Don't do that in such questions, okay. This you can apply for 3 marks, 2 marks, 4 or 2 mark question, but for 1 mark they have already given nth term, okay. They have given you a formula: an is 24 minus 3n, and here they have asked what is its second term. So at the place of n, just keep the value of 2. So 24 minus 3 into 2, what is that? 24 minus 3 2 is a 6, that is 18. So option number A. In exam you have to write, if this is question number 1, you have to write the answer as question number 1, answer is A, option number A, 18. You have to write like this. You can do this in your rough sheet. There is no need of showing this. Even if you show in your answer sheet, that's enough, that is fine, but you have to represent like this, okay, at last. Now coming to second question: the lines represented by this and this are dash. So this is from linear equation. So a1 by a2 you have to write, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Compare. What is a1? 2. What is a2? 4. Here you will get 3 by 6, and here you will get minus 9 by minus 18. So when you simplify, you have to simplify it. 1 by 2, here you will get 1 by 2, again 9 2 is a 1 by 2. So all of the three are equal. So for that relation we have which line? Yes, it is coincident line. So option number D is the correct choice. Got it? Moving to question number 3. If the value of discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of roots are dash. So remember D, that is discriminant. What is that? B square minus 4ac. Okay. If D is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Okay. And if it is less than 0, no real roots. More than 0, real and distinct. Okay. So if it is equal to 0, so remember real and equal. Okay, this represents equal. So option number, they have mentioned discriminant is 0, so option number B is the right answer, real and equal. Next is question number 4. The empirical relation between mean, median and mode is dash. Okay, so this you have to remember. What is the formula? It is like this: median, you have to write, this is a 6-letter word, so stronger. I am telling the trick. And these are two 4-letter words, so they are weaker, so they will combine to become stronger of this median. Now here you have to put 3 and here you have to put 2, that's all. Okay, this becomes the, in mode, just 1, no need to put any variable like that. So here the formula is 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. So 3 median, or this one 3 median 2 mode median. Yes, option number B is the correct. Okay, now I have taken a question of 1 mark section, from 1 mark section, and that is from coordinate geometry. This is a repeated one. Find the coordinates of midpoint of the line joining the points x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2. So midpoint coordinates, okay, or you can write coordinates of midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. If you write this formula, that's more than enough. Okay, you will get full marks. So see how easily we can score 5 marks in your final exam, right? Now we'll move to the 2 mark question. So we have already done 5 mark, so 5 marks are in our hand. Next, coming to 2 mark question, this is the question number 1. Okay, it is from AP. I'm following this table. Okay, yeah, so find the sum of the first 20 terms. So whenever they mention this sum of the first, remember this first 20 terms, you have to use SN formula. First 20 terms, first 10 terms. Okay, so S20 you have to find there. Got it? Now the series they have given is 2 7 dash 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 using suitable formula. So write that formula first. Sn is equal to n by 2. For formula also you have marks. Okay, n minus 1 into d. Now what is n? Yes, at the place of n it is 20. Correct. What is a? The first term is 2. What is d? It is 7 minus 2, that is 5. That's all we need, right? Now substitute. S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2a. A is 2 plus n is how much? 20. So 20 minus 1 I will write directly. You can do in steps in your exam. And d is 5. Okay, so here this is 10. Do the calculation first. 2 plus 2 2 is a 4 plus 19 5 is a 95, right? Now how much is this? 10 into 99, which is equal to 990. This is your S20. So try to write like this in your exam. Write the final answer and keep it inside a box. So for the evaluator, he will see the formula and the direct answer, so he can easily give you full marks. Okay, without going too much in deep with the steps. Okay, so try to follow that. Next is question number, this 6th one. Let me write, this is 5, sorry 6 was this is 7 8 9 10. So they have given solve the following pair of linear equations. Okay, so it's also very easy, and they have mentioned suitable, any suitable method. So I will use elimination method here. X plus y is equal to 5. Okay, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. So if you are using elimination method, the coefficient should be same. Here it's not same, so let me use substitution method. So here I can write this one. Yeah, see, so I will solve this using substitution method. See, x plus y is equal to 5. I can either write x as 5 minus y or y as 5 minus x. So now substitute this in equation number 2. You can name this as 1 and 2. So equation number 2 becomes 2 into, at the place of x write 5 minus y, minus 3y equals to 5. So 10 minus 2y minus 3y equals to 5. So this variable you keep in the LHS and this you bring to RHS. So this becomes minus 5 by, and here minus 5. So y is minus 5 by minus 5, that is 1. So the value of y is 1. Okay, now substitute here. Okay, therefore y becomes 5 minus y, that is 4. So this is very simple, very easily getting 2 mark here. Got it? So I hope you have understood. If yes, do press the like button. Okay, don't forget to do that. Now coming to question number 8 here. So totally we have scored 9 marks now, isn't it? So here they have given solve 3x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0 by using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is what? Yes, write this. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If you write this formula, you will get half mark. Now in this equation, that is 3x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. What is a? 3. What is b? It is minus 2. What is c? It is minus 3. Okay, as it is compared to this standard equation, we get the value of a, b and c, right? Now substitute. So this is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 2 square minus 4 a, what is c? Minus 3 divided by 2 into a is 3. So here you will get 2 plus or minus root of 2 to the 4 plus 4 3 is a 12, 12 to the, how much is this? 12 to the 24, right? Sorry, it is 12 3 is a 12 3 is a 36 divided by 3 to the 6. So here you will get 2 plus or minus root of 40 divided by 6. So you should not leave till here, because see here you have got 40. It is not a perfect square, but in the perfect square, that is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So in this table, whether you are getting this 40 or not, so yes, we will get 4 into 10. So that you have to write here. 4 into 10 you can write divided by 6. So you will get 2 plus or minus, if you take 2 root common, root 4 is 2, here by 2, you get 6 here. Now what you can do, you can just take 2 common. So this becomes 1 plus or minus root 10 divided by 6. So this is 2 3s are. So you'll get x as 1 plus root 10 by 3 and x as 1 minus root 10 by 3. So these are the values of x. So we have solved this equation. Understood? Yeah. Now moving to next question. So question number 9. What does it say? See. So it is from construction. Construct a triangle. Sometimes this type of question you will get for 3 marks. Okay. Yeah, it is for 3 marks. I have taken, but learn this as well. See, what is the question? Construct a triangle with side 5, 6 and 7 centimeter, and then construct another triangle with sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. So what you have to do, you have to draw a triangle of 5, 6, 7 centimeters. So take 7, the base with the bigger value you can take here, 7. Then 5 you take the compass, cut an arc of 5 centimeter from this side and 6 from this side. Okay, so it will be like this, isn't it? So this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7. Now we have to construct another triangle right, of the ratio 7 by 5. So remember this 7 by 5, which one is bigger number of these two? 7. So from here, yeah, one more thing, you can mark this as ABC. So from B you draw a line, okay, like this, and cut a equal length of 7 points. Okay, there should be of 7 mark, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can name them as 1 2 b1 b2, you can write 4 5 6 7. Now what is there in the denominator? 5. So remember this dj, you all know that, digital jockey, dj wale babu. Okay, so from d, what is the denominator? whatever there in the denominator, you have to always join from there. J for join to which place? This corner. So it is here, so you can join using scale like this. Got it? Now just elongate this line. Got it? Using a scale, just draw a straight line. Now from 7 you have to measure this angle. Okay, using compass you can measure from here, cut an arc. Using same length you can cut an arc from here too. Now this two length you have to measure from here to here, you can measure like that, and then on this intersecting line you can plot like this. Similarly with this case, here same like this distance, this, and then elongate this. Okay, to this it should pass through the intersecting point. Okay, now using scale you can also draw this, and wherever this line is matching, joining this point, that is your A dash, this is your C dash, and B is common. So after this you can write A dash B C dash is the required triangle. It is similar to A B C. That's all. If you write this much, you'll get full marks. Okay, so now coming to the last question of 2 mark section. Find the distance between points this and this using distance formula. So which formula you have to use? Distance. So use the distance formula. D is equal to root of, first you have to write formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct? So 3162. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 is 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus 1 whole square. So this is 3 square plus 1 square, which is equal to 9 plus 1, which is root 10. So D is 10 root 10 units. You have to write this also. Units is very important. So if you write this much, you will get full 2 marks. So I hope you have understood. So total how many questions are there? 5. So earlier 5, now 5 2s are 10. So we have got 10 marks already. Next coming to 3 mark section. Okay. So in 3 mark section you will get 2 definite questions from statistics like this, mean or mode. Okay, either you have to solve for the mean or mode. Sometimes they will give for median and mode or median and mean. So I will recommend you to always solve that of the mode and median. They are very easier compared to the mean, because here there will be a lengthy calculation. So following that I will solve this question, mode question first. Okay, so what they have given, find the mode. So you should know the formula to find mode. Okay, mode is equal to, so the formula is mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now sometime you may get confused with mode and median formula. So remember, in mode you have this 0 sign, O sign, and in this f0 also you have that O sign. So with that you can remember this. In median you don't have that O or 0. So keeping that in mind, you can remember this formula. Okay. Now what is this L? It is the lower limit of median class, sorry, mod. So model class. How will you get model class? The frequency of model class will be high. So here it is 9. This is the model class. L is 3. This is F1. So previous to that is F0 or F0. Next to that is F2. And H is how much? 5 minus 3 is 2. So that you can write here data that since F1 is 9, F2 is 2, F0 is 6, and L is 3, H is 2. Now directly substitute here. So 3 plus F1, 9 minus 6 divided by 2 into 9 minus 6 minus 2 into H, that is 2. So calculate this. 3 plus 9 minus 6 is 3. This is 9 to the 18 minus, I will write directly 8. 18 minus 8 is 10 into 2. So here we will get how much? 3 plus 3 to the 6 by 10. What is 6 by 10? it is 0.6. Now 0.6 plus 3 is 3.6. So this is the value of moles. So it's very simple. You can get the answer easily. Got it? So this I'm not doing. You can do. And if you're doing, tell me the value of mean in the comment section. In exam also you'll get similar like this or. Understood? Next question. This question, it is again from the circle chapter, the theorem. The link of this theorem I have provided in the description box, so I will not be solving it here. Got it? Next, coming to this type of question. This is very important. Ogive curve. Definitely you will get either less than or more than. So in this paper I have taken less than. In next I will take more than with different type of different types. See here what they have given. Yield of coconuts grown in 15 villages. Okay, in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Draw less than type ogive. Okay, so always this you have to draw in graph sheet. Okay, now what are all important? So this is x-axis, this is y. Right, now see this cumulative frequency. Okay, you have to always take in the y-axis. Understood? Cumulative frequency. And this you can see, this is limit, lower limit. These are the upper limits, 50, 75, 100. The gap will be same. That you have to take in this direction, x-axis. Okay. So here you have to write number of coconuts, whatever they have given in the question. Understood? Now it is starting from 50, then 75, then 100. So you can directly write that here, 50, then 75. The gap is 25, correct? Then 100, 125, 150. The gap should be same. I am drawing it roughly, so it may not look same. Okay, and this is 200. Similarly, in y-axis, if you see, it's starting from 2 and ending at 15. So you can write, take the unit as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So here you have to write scale along x-axis. What you are taking? You are taking 1 unit. This is called as 1 unit. As how much? Don't write this 50 value. What is the gap here? Yes, it is 25. So that you have to write. Along y-axis, what is the gap you are taking? Everywhere it is 2. So 1 unit is equal to 2. This you have to write it. Compulsory. Okay. And this. Now just mark the value. This is 50. So at 50 it is 2. So 50 it is 2. This is from x-axis 50. From y you have to do 2. Now 75, 4. So 75 and 4. Next 100, 9. 100 and 9 will come between 10 and 5. So there will be a little smaller number compared to this bigger ones. In between, mark that. Then 125, 10. It will come somewhere over here. 150, 11. Somewhere over here. Sorry, it will be somewhere over here. 175, 13. So like this. 215. So like this. So this one was not required, right? This 125 is somewhere like this. Now just join it in freehand. If you write like this, we'll get full marks. And here you have to mention less than type ogive. So only if you do this much, you are going to get 3 marks. So see how many questions you have done? 3, 2 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9. So now it is already how much? Yes, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 10, 24. Now let us move to the 5 mark question. Here they have given state and prove BPT, basic proportionality theorem, or Thales theorem. They may also give Pythagoras theorem or area of similar triangle theorem, correct? So all those 3 links I have provided in the description box. You can watch and learn. That I am not going to solve here. Okay, so you got 5 marks now, correct? So how much is that? 24 plus 5 is 29. So you have already passed your maths exam if you have written this much. But still, without taking risk, let me solve one more for our extra advantage. But this is for 4 marks. I think I have missed something. Just a minute. So this means 24, 20. 9. Okay, so I had missed this question of 2 marks. Okay, and this, as I told earlier itself, that this was of 3 marks question, right, from construction. So this was of 3 marks, and now I'm, whichever I have brought here, this is of 2 marks. So totally 29. Already we have got how much? Yes, where is it? Yes, 29 plus this one is 30. So 30 plus 6 will be 36. Okay, so let us solve this first. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and construct a pair of tangents such that angle between them is 60 degrees. So see, this is a circle and the tangent will be like this, correct, and this is the radius. So they have given angle between these tangents. How much is that? 60. So how much will be this? It will be 120, correct, because both of they should be combined equal to 180. So this you have to always find. So draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, draw a line like this. Now keeping your protractor, measure an angle of how much? Yes, 120 degree from here. Now here extend this line, again extend this line. Keeping your pointer over here, you have to draw a semicircle. Same pointer over here of compass, draw a semicircle. Now from here cut an arc like this. From these two cut another arc like this. Similarly from here cut an arc. From here cut the equal length arc. Now from these two of common length, draw an arc. Join this, extend this, you'll get somewhere over here, that will give you the tangent. That's all. So these two are the tangents. You'll get 3 marks, and this is for 2 marks easily. In the other question which I solved in the 2 mark section, that was actually for 3. Now coming to the last question in the important as well as the easiest one. You have to find the solution of the equation using graphical method. So these are the two equations, right? 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 2x minus, let me write it here, 2x minus y is equal to 2. So to draw a graph like this, you need the value of x and y, correct? X here and y over here. Okay. So where will you get the values? So we have two equations. They will get us the values of x and y. So just you need three values of x, y. Again for this equation, you need three values of x and y. So which are those three values? So what can we start? See, y is equal to 6 minus, if you transfer this becomes 2x, correct. Here y is in negative, so take it in RHS, so this becomes 2x minus 2, correct. So y is 2x minus 2, isn't it? Now you can apply this trick in your exam. Instead of taking blindly take x as 1 2 3, you can solve this in rough note using the method of elimination. These two will get cancelled. You will get 4x. Here x is 8, so x is 8 by 4, that is 2. So see, you got the value of 2, right? So this you have to do roughly. The same value you will get in graph also. So x is 2, that you mark it here, 2 again here. Now less than 1 you write here, more than this, more by 1, this becomes 3, 1 2 3, again 1 2 3. Now substitute in this. So when x is 1, what is y? 6 minus 2, that is 4. When x is 2, 6 minus 2 2s are 4, that is 2. When x is 3, y is 6 minus 6, 0. So you got this. Similarly you'll get here, 2 1s are 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, when x is 1, you have to write all those things here. Got it? So 2 2s are 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, when x is 3, 3 2s are 6 minus 2 is 4. So you can see these two values you have got same. So that will be your answer. That you have to write here. Let me write this as 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3 4. Now mark for this. If x is 1, y is 4. So 1 4, 2 2, 3 0. Now join them. Okay, here I am doing roughly. You have to do it properly in the graph sheet. Similarly for this 1 0, it will come here, 2 2 again here, 3 4, it will come somewhere over here. Now elongate this. So this value is 2 comma 2. That is your answer. But again, right scale along x-axis 1 unit is 1, along y-axis 1 unit is 1. Okay, and this you have to write the equation name here, 2x plus y is equal to 6, and this was for what, 2x minus y equals to 2, right? So if you write this much, you are going to get 4 marks. So like this you can solve and get 36 marks in your final exam. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If yes, kindly do like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. All the best for your exam.